and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing April's BoxyCharm. I know I'm a little late, but I literally just got it in the mail like last week, and I think it's because of like the coronavirus and everything going on, they're a little delayed. So that's why this video is just now being made. So I'm sorry, I know I'm a little late, but just bear with me. But if you guys are excited, then please stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button as well. And without further ado, let's go unbox this BoxyCharm box. Okay, so I have not unboxed it yet, so I don't know what's in here. Ooh, lots of good stuff. Okay, so the first thing is by Benefit, and it is the Porefessional. I have tried this before, not in a few years, but it is really good product. But it's smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. It says the silky lightweight face primer minimizes the look of pores and fine lines and helps makeup stay put. Apply all over for smoother than smooth skin, or touch up over makeup on pore problem areas. So I have never tried it like over makeup to touch up pore problem areas, so that's interesting that says that. And then next is by Iconic London, and it's their Illuminator. Looks just like this. I think this is like an oldie but a goodie. Yeah, because it says like original on the back right there. So I think I've seen different people use this as like a primer or like a face highlighter. So I don't know, I'll probably use it as like a primer before I would use it as like a face highlighter. But I don't know, we'll test it out. And next we have Elemis, and it's a superfood calm hydration juice. It says this cooling hydrator packed with fruit waters and antioxidant rich Cica helps to visibly calm skin. So I'm eager to try this out because my skin is actually pretty dry right now. And then next, ooh, these look like really good brushes. These are by Lavish, and it looks like some eyeshadow brushes. Okay, so yeah, it looks like you get 5 brushes, and then one of them is double-ended with a spoolie. So those are very nice and pretty. I can't wait to try them. They feel really, really soft. And next, last but not least, is the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. I have seen these advertised so many times and over the years, and I've always wanted to try it, but I've never just been like, I'm gonna go buy a towel just to wipe my face off. I don't know, so I'm really excited that I actually did get this in my BoxyCharm so I can actually try it to see if it works, and hopefully it will, because it is like a really good kind of like idea, but does it work is my thing. So I'm eager to try this out to see if it works. If it works, that's awesome. Taking my makeup off just got a whole lot faster and easier. And then a little thing for the makeup eraser. It says erase all makeup with just water, including waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more. It's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Okay. Machine washable, great for sensitive skin, and saves money. Right, okay. It said why it works. A premium patented polyester cloth made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers that work together as a suction for all the dirt, makeup, and oil in your pores. Double-sided to erase makeup with the short fibers and exfoliate the skin with the long fibers side with tag. So it kind of tells you like what to do and how to use it and all that fun stuff. And then in this BoxyCharm, I actually got the pamphlet like they've been leaving out. So the Benefit Porefessional primer is $32, and the face hydrator is $48. Ooh, that's a hefty price tag. The makeup eraser is $22. The brushes, 5-piece brushes, they're $29.99 to $30. And then the Iconic London Illuminator is $41. Woo! I don't know if I'd pay $41 for this little bitty Illuminator droppy thing. I don't know about all that. So I'm glad I got it in my BoxyCharm, but I don't think I'd pay that much money for it. So I just added it all up, and it's $173 worth of stuff in this box. And I pay, it's $27.75, I think. So that literally saved me like $146 if I was to go out and buy all this stuff myself. So I think this BoxyCharm box is really, really great, especially for the value of the products that I got. But I'm going to test them all out in later videos to kind of let you know if it works and how I feel about it. I am actually going to go ahead and use this right now because I just got home from work. So I'm going to wash or take my makeup off with this and check the description box to kind of see how it goes and what I thought about it and if it really works. But yeah, that is all for this short little April unboxing BoxyCharm video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button before you guys leave. Hit that post notification bell. And also, if you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!